Okay, everyone. So this is example 2 from lesson 7-1, and we're going to work with finding area of this parallelogram, but we have to remember to read the problem because it's asking for square inches, and your parallelogram is in feet. So that's where we need to work on. Okay, so we know our parallelogram is, our formula is area equals base times height. So we are going to solve for our parallelogram first and find the area. So we have to look at our right angle, and they're trying to be tricky, and they are looking for your base and your height. And if you remember, your height is your height of your parallelogram, and a lot of times it's invisible. So here is your height of your parallelogram, and then here is, so there's our line inside your circle, and here's your base. But your base you don't know. However, you do know that this side is 2.5, and what opposite sides are the same. So that means this side is 2.5. So you know your area equals your base, which is 2.5, and then you're going to multiply it by your height, which is 2. And if you would like to use, just remember not to use your multiplication sign. I'll make that decimal a little bit bigger. Okay, and then 2.5 times 2 is 5, and it's in feet. So 5 feet squared. I'm going to box it because that's actually not our final answer. So we do need to remember our conversions. So we want to remember that 1 foot equals 12 inches. All right. However, if you think of 2 squares and you think of this is 1 foot by 1 foot, and this is 12 inches by 12 inches. So 1 foot, this side length, is equivalent to this side length, which is 12 inches. This side length of 1 foot is equivalent to this side length of 12 inches. But we want to know area, so we have to find the area of these. So 1 foot times 1 foot is 1 foot squared, and 12 inches by 12 inches is 144 inches squared. So we actually are not going to use this conversion factor. We're going to use this conversion factor of 1 foot squared, which is equivalent to 144 inches squared. And then if you remember, we're going to go back to our 5 feet squared, and now we can do our conversion formula. And if it's the 2 over from equals, and we're going to inches squared. So you just have to remember that you had to find the area. So what are you converting to? You're converting to inches squared, which is 144. What are you converting from? Feet. And if you weigh all of the words, this is a fraction times a fraction. So what's 5 times 144? 720. And 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer is actually area equals 720 inches squared. So you went from 5 feet squared to 720 inches squared. Great job on your second video.